Girls Hairstyles. Today I have Chris with me. This is Elaine's sister, if you watched Elaine's haircut. It was the cute clipper one in the back. And anyway, so they come together. She's super fun. She loves her purple hair. We just put the purple back in today, so that's fun. And yeah, it suits her. It's her favorite color, and it looks awesome on her. Anyway, so I want to show you her haircut. She likes it a little bit fuller here, and she likes it tight down here. She does like it kind of down and back here on her ears, and then she likes the volume here. So anyway, we're gonna show you that cut. We do like this bottom up. She likes to just get rid of that.
We're gonna do it a tiny bit shorter because it'll be several weeks before we...
Exactly, good point. So yes, we are going a little bit shorter this cut, just because they won't be coming back as soon, just because her sister and the one I was telling you, Elaine and Brent, they're heading to Germany. And so it's gonna be longer than usual. So we're gonna go a little bit shorter. So in this cut, she does usually wear it a tiny bit longer, but we wanted to show you how cute this is. Okay, all right, so we just clean that up. And now what I like to do is when it's tight here and a little bit longer here, I like to just kind of get that hair out of the way. And I like to start here in the middle. So you can see I'm kind of just going up a little bit tighter against her head here in the back. Okay, and now to this side. I'm just taking vertical sections here, just going along the back of her head. And that's the thing, is I want it tighter here, and then it's gonna kind of come out more, just because she likes a little bit of fullness through there, through the midsection back here. But like I said, of course, we are going a tiny bit shorter today, so it doesn't drive her absolutely nuts by the time they get back. Okay, taking that corner. Okay, now we'll come to this side. Wasn't it, Chris, or I can't remember if it was Elaine or you, but you guys went to church, and this one woman, was it you? Yeah, so there was a woman that was like, oh, I just really would love purple in my hair. That is so cute. And I just don't dare, I don't dare. And anyway, so after a little while, she went to church, and there that lady was with purple hair. It was cute. Because she said, didn't she say, oh, my husband would never want me to do that?
No, she said he would never let me.
Oh, never let me do that.
What do you mean, let you? And, you know, it's your hair. Do what you want.
I love that. It's great. So, yeah, Chris must have said the right words, because she come back and had purple hair, which is darling. Oh, that's fun. Okay, all right, now I'm going to take the rest of this. So I'm coming through here, take this off. And from this point on, I'm gonna hold it out at a 90-degree and take that length off as I come to the top. Yeah, that's so funny. What do you mean he won't let you? It's your own hair. So yeah, all you ladies out there that want colored hair and you don't think your husband will let you, go for it. No.
You have my permission.
That's right. Chris gives you permission, all right? Just like the other lady, and now the other lady's really happy with her purple hair. Oh, that's great. Love it, love it. Okay, so you can see that I'm just coming 90 degree, just pulling that straight out, taking that length off. And then on this side, take a little bit of this off so that doesn't drive her nuts by the time she gets back. Okay. Coming down this way. Okay. So if you can just kind of picture little slices down the head. That's what I like to do to keep track of where I am at. Okay, perfect. So you can see from the side, it's tight here. It has a little bit more volume here, but we go up to shorter up through this area. And that way, having it a little bit shorter, like I said, will last her. So that's a good thing.
Mm-hmm.
It was fun. I still have that bookmark.
Oh,
it was cute. Yes, yes, I love it. So yeah. That was fun.
And we like lots of volume.
Yes,
Yeah.
Good girl.
The higher the hair, the closer to heaven, you know.
See, I love it. She is my gal, likes the big hair. Like she says, closer to heaven, the higher the hair. Okay, so going a little bit shorter here, also a little bit on the ear area. So she does like it over her ear. Okay, now we'll go to this side and then I'll do her bangs. Okay, we're gonna take some bulk out on her sides. Yeah, we gotta get that bulk out the sides.
Yeah.
Because if you come back and you have the big ear things, you won't like that.
Yeah.
Don't like that bulk there. Okay. So did you guys eat before you came or are you going after?
We're going after.
Oh, good. Yeah, I was saying earlier in Elaine's video that it's fun because they always get to come and go to lunch. So I always ask them, did you already go or are you going? We was teasing, I said to Brent, which is Elaine's husband, I said, oh, I should have done a video with you and explained that you like hairspray more than your wife. So we've been laughing for the last minute about that for sure. Okay, so then I'm just gonna take her bangs and just trim those like this, point cut. Okay, and then this side, point cut. Okay, now, of course, before I dry, I want to make sure that all of this is the right length. Feels a little bit longer here, which there's that little corner. It's funny, once you start cutting, if you hold things out or whatever and you can feel it, you go back and you're like, oh, yep, there's a little corner. Need to take that. Okay, so Chris, what we'll do is after we dry you, if you feel like it needs to be shorter, we go shorter, but
okay.
because I'm obviously going shorter with her because, you know, it's going to be longer before she comes back. But I don't want to go way short and have her be like, RaDona, what are you doing?
Yeah.
Exactly. Okay, so I just went through texturized back, so it'll give it some body. You go this way, right, Chris?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, Chris's texture of her hair is fine. So what I'm going to do is use the mousse, and obviously the volume and lift spray is good for her. And I'm going to round brush. The round brushing is huge. When you have fine hair, it can make it look a lot fuller. And it's just a really good thing to do, is to round brush your hair. And some of you out there are probably thinking, oh, I can't do that. Which at first you feel like you can't, but I promise you can. Just take practice. So just dry this down the back. See, that is funny. I can tell I didn't spray this.
Oh.
Didn't spray that in. It makes a huge difference. Okay, now it's 80% dry. I'm going to come in, take my round brush. Maybe. There we go. Oh, that purple is so pretty. So shiny. Okay, so when I round brush, I'm kind of round brushing back a tiny bit, and then this down. She doesn't love a part. So just kind of drying this back. Sorry, I'm switching it this way. So same thing, I'm just drying this back this way. Yeah, she was really excited to get purple back and then it faded, so she was really happy.
Yeah.
Funny, once you do something and it makes you, it's crazy when you don't have it. You know what I mean? It's like, like Elaine not having her spiky fun hair. It's like, that wouldn't be her without it now. Okay, now what we're gonna do is come up through this top. We're gonna back comb, and you can see I go in, down, and out. That's gonna give that volume. And we'll just spray in between the back combing. And the purple that I'm using is from RaDona, the color, in case all of you women out there want purple now. Okay, then combing this. Okay, then I'm taking the ends. You can see that I, spray underneath, but then I just barely take the ends. I don't comb out the back combing. Just almost kind of grab the ends and just place the hair. Okay, then up here, just gonna back comb this. Gosh, Chris, that'll be sad without them for a while when they go to Germany, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, goodness.
No, Diane and I may have to go to lunch one time without you.
That's fine.
Yeah. So we have 3 sisters and we go to lunch once a month, but Elaine's going to be gone for 6 weeks.
That's right. So,
Having any lunches that you aren't there for, so.
What?
I said I'm going to have many lunches that you aren't there, so.
yeah, that's true.
Yeah. Well, and all the
Yes,
time we
yes.
worked at the church office building, we went to lunch every day, and yeah,
That's so
and you
fun.
weren't there, so yeah,
So it works, huh?
it all comes out in the wash.
That's right. Okay, let's turn and double check here.
It's so fun.
So fun. See, you're back.
Yes, I'm back.
Yes. Okay, my dear. It's too done for you, I can tell. Like, she likes just kind of up and messy. She
Yeah.
doesn't want it like,
I don't want a helmet.
she doesn't want a helmet. She just wants it kind of messy up there.
Yeah.
But with the round brushing, it makes it nice because
Yeah,
it gives
it
her
does.
volume, so. Okay. See, I'm trying to mess it up for her. Should I have you mess it up? No, I'm just kidding. Okay. All right, that is her hairdo. So cute. Okay, so I'm gonna turn her around one more time. You can see how tight it is here. Has that volume through this area, but then it goes short again up top. So super fun, Chris. Yeah, I love it. So thank you. Thanks, you guys. I appreciate it. I hope you loved it. Like I said, also her color is RaDona, the purple. In case you want to go color. If so, send us your pictures. It'd be fun. Have a good day, you guys. Thanks. See ya.